Moving in or out of Covina, California, a full-service moving company can simplify the process. In this video, we'll walk you through what to expect, common costs, and smart strategies to make your move smoother, with insights based on 3Mover services in Covina. In Covina, 3Movers offers full-service moves. They vet carriers, operate with verified and licensed crews, and promise a scratch-free guarantee. Local moves often cost between $1,000 and $2,400, depending on home size, packing needs, and stairs. Long-distance moves starting in Covina tend to run $2,000 to $5,000 plus, depending on distance and logistics. Full service means the moving company handles everything: packing, unpacking, furniture disassembly and reassembly, loading, unloading, transport, storage, and even waste disposal or car shipping if needed. You're paying for convenience and reduced stress. Here's how the move will typically proceed. Estimate and inventory. Crew assesses your items and layout, packing, and prep. Properly wrapping everything, loading and transport. Safely loading the truck, unloading and setup. Placing items in your new spot, final walkthrough. Inspect your items and confirm delivery. For local moves within Covina, the entire process may take several hours. For long distance, it's often 1-3 days or more, depending on route and scheduling. Several factors influence your price: home size, number of rooms, volume, distance of move, local versus out of state, packing complexity, fragile items, specialty goods, access issues, stairs, tight hallways, long walk distances, timing and demand, weekend or holiday moves. Always ask for a detailed written quote that itemizes services, not just a ballpark number. If you're planning a move in Covina, full-service movers like those with 3Movers can save you time and hassle, as long as you choose wisely and plan ahead. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your moving questions in the comments. Good luck with your relocation.